Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make this delicious colorful salsa. Very easy to make, few ingredients needed, and it have a lot of health benefits. So let's take a quick look what I use for this salsa. We will need 3 cups of watermelon cubes in small pieces, 1.5 cups of tangerine. I peel it and break it into small pieces also. 1 cup tomato cubes. I use canned tomato here, but you can use fresh one. Then 1/3 cup of chopped cilantro leaves. Then chopped onions and jalapenos to your taste. I also need 2 more ingredients, lemon and salt. You will see in a minute. Now in a big bowl, we're gonna put everything together and mix it. Also, you can print this recipe from my website. I will put the link down below in description box. Look at its colors. I just love its vibrant colors. Anyway, this salsa is not only tasty, but it is rich in vitamin C and vitamin A, which is very good for our immune system and for many other things. You can read in details on my blog post. Again, I'm gonna put the link down below in description box. So you saw I squeeze half lemon, which will help to enhance watermelon sweetness. And then I add some salt, pink salt. You can use any other salt. And now our salsa is ready. If you like this recipe, give a thumbs up to this video and please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you can know when I post my next video. And don't forget to check out my other videos. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.